Hello, my name is Mania.
And my name is Lucy. We're here to tell you about how we came to be studying here at Cardiff Metropolitan University.
I finished studying my undergraduate degree back in my home country back in 2010, 6 years before starting my course at Cardiff Met. During the gap, I had a number of jobs to gain work experience, but I then decided to continue to study further to meet my future goals. When I had decided to continue studying, I looked at courses in a number of different countries. First, I started looking in my home country, but then I started to look at international options. I looked at Australia, Canada, and the USA, but decided that the UK was the best option for me. British higher education and qualifications have an impressive international reputation, and the master's courses are only 1 year long in the UK, compared to 2 years in other countries.
Once I had decided on the UK, I visited an education agent who first told me about Cardiff Met. I had researched other universities in the UK, including ones in London, Manchester and Birmingham. However, it was Cardiff Met that really got me interested. Once the agent had given me some information, I researched Cardiff Met online to find out more about the facilities, location, course details, accommodation options and other things. I found out that Cardiff Met is over 150 years old and is in the city of Cardiff, the capital city of Wales. There are 2 teaching campuses, Llandaff and Kincoed, as well as accommodation halls. There are 5 schools: art and design, education, sport and health sciences, management and technology. Students from 140 different countries study at the university. Cardiff Met has been ranked the top university in the UK for international student support 6 times. There's an active students' union and fantastic sports and recreation facilities. There is a bus that links all the campuses, student housing areas, supermarkets and the city centre. I chose Cardiff Met because of its high quality education standards, which includes the latest research and innovative approaches to learning. Their career-focused courses and links with industry prepare graduates for the world of work, and they have a high employability rate.
I am studying the MBA course here at Cardiff Met, the Masters of Business Administration. The course has 5 core modules and a range of elective modules, of which I have chosen 2. The 2 elective modules I am studying are Management of Finance and Strategic Global Marketing. I was able to look at the module options on the university website before I started my course. My course has a number of different methods of assessment. There's a combination of examinations, assignments, presentations, group work, and also a final project. I chose this course as it will help me achieve my future career plans. Once I complete the MBA, I plan to return home to gain experience and then eventually take over my father's business. Currently, he manufactures and supplies furniture in our home country. The course will help me to expand the business internationally. Many of the course modules, such as Strategic Global Marketing, will allow me to expand and improve the business by understanding how to manage staff and how to interact globally. This will mean our sales will increase and the business can be managed more efficiently.
Before I started at the university, it was important for me to think about the cost of living to make sure that I knew exactly how much it would cost for my accommodation, food, transport and other expenses. For the accommodation, there were different options which the university helped me to understand. I first looked at the university accommodation, which cost between £110 and £120 per week. But then I decided to stay in private accommodation in the city, which costs between £60 and £70 per week. My food and transport costs are between £100 and £150 per week. As well as working out my living costs, I also had to make sure I had the right monthly expenses accounted for that are required for making a Tier 4 visa application. The suggested monthly amount for studying in Cardiff is £1,015 per month, so I had to show that I'd maintained £9,135 for at least 28 consecutive days before I made my visa application.
I'm self-funding my studies here at the university. As I've been working for 6 years since graduating, I've been able to save around £25,000 to help pay for my studies. My parents are also able to help cover the costs, as they both work and have a monthly income of £2,500 combined. It's a big sum of money to spend, but I believe that it was the right decision. Once I've completed the course, I will be able to secure better jobs with better salary ranges, which will allow me to build a more financially rewarding future. I'm also working a little bit while I study here at Cardiff Met. My part-time job is offering me some great work experience and a new culture, and is giving me some fantastic exposure that benefits what I'm learning in my studies.
Bye for now!
We hope to see you in Cardiff soon.